What is up, guys? Welcome to another video of Brawl Stars, and today I just got max, so I reached 30 brawlers, and I'm gonna be playing with my brother, Epic Thunder. So we're gonna be playing some duo showdown with Colt and Max for some reason, and I'm not upgraded my Max to power level, not to any power level because I'm not got in. But I use my 200. I use my 200 power points I got in the trophy road and got Gale star power, but unfortunately it's second win. I would have wanted that one, but okay, let's get on with the video. By the way, Epic Thunder is my brother, if I didn't mention that. Okay, let's just get ready. Okay. Let's do this. Now sit back for some music and relax. Okay, the match started, Arman. Well, Epic Thunder. Let's get the bulky. Let me go get this one. Spin on them. Let's spin on them. You only have 6,000 trophies. Oh no, this one. I'm so close to getting served. You got destroyed. Oh no. Epic Thunder. No. It's okay. Don't use food. So one long range and one short range. I'll be using actually. And if you want to, please join our club trophy stream. We've reached 500,000 trophies. Let's go. Oh, and join our Discord or caps lock R, lowercase r, lowercase q, caps lock Z, caps lock E, lowercase v, G, and happy brawling. Use Primo? I'm using Gale. Wait, no, Gale is too high for you. And I also want to count. Hey! Okay. Fine, let's see that. So this is Arman, what's your favorite brawler? Tell it to the screen.
Surge.
No, like the ones you have. He's also got Gale's gadget, by the way.
And then
He's also got Merchant Gale. Go to Gale or not? Go to Gale. Use Nano and I'll use Piper. I'll use Crow. You use Gale and I'll use Crow, okay? Place your jump pack when I tell you to.
Sure.
Did you see them? Wait, I'm just gonna go select Crow again. You couldn't even see him. Wait a second. Wait. There you go. Wait, I'll just show you this spoon. I'll take it off it. And I'm not Crow. You couldn't even see him. Okay, that doesn't matter. Now just play. After this, I'm gonna be showing you some cool things you can do with Nanny Super if you have a gadget.
Oh, and by the way, King Crab Tick has come out.
Yep, it just came out today. The first skin of Tick. Come on, spin. Actually, no. Okay, good job. That doesn't matter. We still want another rank up. Let me take the spin. For some use, Is this the center or is that the center? Wait, what? What in the world was that? I'm pretty sure there's some people in these, but I don't want to mess around with them. Oh, I knew it. I clearly knew it. Okay. Now let me show you some Nanny gameplay. Sorry, everyone, I'll have to leave you for a second. Bye. Let me show you some Nanny gameplay. Actually, let me relax. Alright. Okay, Aman, I'll tell you something. You should have clicked at the same time I clicked. I put my location to Canada.
What?
My location goes to Canada. I auto-aimed. You can auto-aim on boxes and better to do that. Auto-aim, auto-aim, auto-aim. I'm such an auto-aim. Yeet! I'm gonna die soon. My teammate's dead. No. Hate my teammates. I die so quickly. No, not this. No. Does it have to end this way? It doesn't. Let's go. Good kill phase character. What's this skill? This fish.
My teammate's so dumb.
Lol. Did you see that skill? Nanny's gadget is clearly open.
Is it?
So OP.
Punch.
Punch. You people are hiding there away from me. No. How could you? We won. Let's go. GG, well played.
Even I won.
I just copied the line of Chief Pat. Lol. Okay. Let's play some games. I'm gonna be using any user. Let's do this. Oh, okay. Wait, you can use handy too. After this, I'm gonna be playing some showdown. Actually, I was gonna play some showdown with Gale. We also bought. I convinced my dad. I got my brother the Brawl Pass too. He's really happy. Why do I have a second star? We all are gonna get served really quick. Like for me 7 years, and then for him at least 4 years. Why can't I ever get any of my Brawler to rank? Anything actually. Usually it's rank.
Only 16 more tiers for me to get.
This person's such an auto-winner.
Only 16 more tiers for me to get search.
Yeah. Ooh.
Did I leave the club? Oh yeah.
Why do you want to leave the club? Hate it?
But nobody plays it. So
They're barely online, but you can decide. You're just gonna lose our trophies.
yeah.
We have a lot of trophies. We have over 500,000 trophies in total. You wanna lose those? Camp out here. Let's go. By the way, I only got 7 wins on the championship challenge, so it was really big deal. 6,000 damage with that kick. And we take the jump pad all the way back. 3,000 damage. purple brawler. Go spot. I don't know.
Even somebody named Han has searched.
Yeet. I don't know who he is. Oh my god, I'm bad. But we have 19 trophies. Who could die? Let's go. Well played. As you can see, I have a quest with Gale right here. You can see, right? Okay. But I'm playing on my phone, but like I'm recording on my computer, as you can see. So you'll be seeing circles around there. I bet that Max is not power level. I bet that Max doesn't have the gadget. I bet you any. Are you spectating me?
No.
Now you stop.
Shoot. Yay. Shoot.
Speed boost time. And you also did something, can you? Alright.
Oh no, what happened to Max?
Oh, I didn't mean to take those. Yeet! I yeeted all those weapons.
Hey.
I wanted to jump over and then kill them anyway. Okay, now it's time to play with my bro. Maybe can. This guy is good. This guy has all the legendaries. This guy called Grenade joined our club and he started abusing like a lot. I don't think it's gonna be a favorite in this video, so I'm not gonna show it, but
Why did Kushagra say? No, I picked Thunder.
oh, Rich Shopper?
Yeah.
Epic Thunder because that's your name. Where did he say that?
But why did Rich Rocker just say my name? Why did he just say he picks me?
No, he said this guy Rich left our club with his friend AK-47, which is also my friend. We are in the same class, but then I convinced him to join back because we're like real friends. And then I made him president, and he's like, no, I'm not gonna play more play. That's nothing. And now let's get him some. Okay, after this game, by the way, this video might end in the middle of the game, so don't blame me. It's not my fault. I'll pick another screen recorder and I wasn't even looking at my screen. Oh my god! Yeet! We died. He died. We lost. Okay, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Peace!